In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Google Play gift card. If you've received a Google Play gift card and you're not sure how to use it, don't worry. The process is quick, simple, and you can do it directly from your device in just a few moments. Once the card is redeemed, the balance is added to your Google Play account, and you can use it for apps, games, movies, books, and other eligible content available through Google Play. To get started, open the Google Play Store app on your device. When the app opens, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile picture. This will open your account menu where you can access settings and payment-related options connected to your Google Play account. From that menu, select Payments and Subscriptions. Inside that section, tap Redeem Code. This is the option that allows you to apply the value of a gift card or promo code to your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before moving forward, especially if you use more than one account on the same device, because the balance will be added to the account you're currently using. Now you'll see the screen where you can enter the gift card details. At this point, you can either type the code manually or choose Scan Gift Card to use your device's camera. If you're entering it by hand, take your time and type the characters carefully to avoid mistakes. If you decide to scan the card, make sure the code is clearly visible and that you have enough lighting so your camera can read it properly. After the code has been entered or scanned, tap Redeem. Google Play will then show you the account that will receive the balance. This is an important moment to double check that everything looks correct. If the account shown is the one you want to use, go ahead and select Confirm. Once you confirm, the gift card value will be added to your Google Play balance and you'll be ready to start using it right away. That's all there is to it. As a final tip, if you ever have trouble redeeming the card, check the code again for typing errors or make sure the card has been activated properly at the place where it was purchased. And that's how to redeem a Google Play gift card quickly and easily through the Google Play Store app.